Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time on piano. First, ensure you maintain proper posture and hand position at the keyboard for comfortable playing. Next, familiarize yourself with the C major scale, which is a fundamental building block for many melodies. Then, locate middle C on your piano, as it serves as a crucial reference point. Finally, perform simple finger exercises to build dexterity and strength in your hands. Now, let's delve into reading music. You will need to understand both the treble and bass clefs, which are essential for interpreting piano sheet music. Identify different note values, such as whole, half, and quarter notes, to grasp rhythm. Learn basic chord structures, including major and minor triads, to accompany melodies. Practice simple exercises using both hands to develop coordination and independence. With the basics covered, you can now begin playing iconic melodies. Start with Zelda's Lullaby, a gentle and widely recognizable tune focusing on its flowing rhythm. Next, practice Saria's song to master its lively tempo and distinct pattern. Concentrate on achieving smooth transitions between notes and musical phrases. Remember to use dynamics, like playing softly or loudly, to add expressive qualities to your piano playing. To continue your progress, break down complex pieces into smaller, more manageable sections for easier learning. Utilize a metronome to significantly improve your rhythm and timing accuracy, aiming for a steady beat. Recording yourself playing can help you identify areas that need further improvement and refine your technique. Most importantly, practice consistently for at least 15 to 20 minutes every single day to see significant progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.